Maraming salamat din po sa may-ari ng Stala event na ito. Dahil, at saka sa mga crew, sa staff, hindi po magiging ganito kaganda, kaayos, ang aming wedding celebration kung hindi po dahil sa inyo. Ginawa po ninyong posible ang mga hindi pa po namin naiisip. At we're really amazed and we're really glad, happy, contented sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
I want to thank all of the Stala team sa ginawa ninyong effort. I know it's been hard day for you. Ang dami kong hindi ako marunong, humarap sa camera and everything. But thank you so much. And for Sir Tom for giving us a chance to do this. Kasi before I was thinking, ang hirap maghanap ng place, ang hirap mag-isip, and we're so busy sa work and also with our kids ng vacation. So this team really helps us, to put all of this together. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.